Exercise 21B, page 79.
Now, as I said previously, you should only use the outside lane of a motorway when you want to overtake. I know you're used to overtaking on the left, but this is not the case in Britain. You can only overtake on the right of the slower vehicle, using the middle or outside lane. If you do use the outside lane to overtake, you must leave it and return to the middle lane as soon as your manoeuvre is complete. In the event that you need to stop on the hard shoulder or at a lay-by, you need to let other drivers know by using your hazard lights. Hazard lights should also be used when you see any kind of trouble ahead of you, a traffic jam perhaps, or the scene of an accident. In this way, you give warning to the people driving behind you about the need to slow down. When leaving a motorway, you should indicate your intentions well in advance and exit using the slip road. As soon as you're on the slip road, take your foot off the accelerator and reduce speed immediately. Some of them suddenly become quite narrow and windy. They can give you a nasty surprise if you're still going at motorway speed. Whenever you change lanes, regardless of whether you're overtaking another vehicle or exiting a motorway, always remember to signal. Switch on the indicator and let it flash 3 times before you make your move, so you can be sure that everyone behind you is aware of your intentions. The speed limit on British motorways and dual carriageways is 70 miles per hour, which equates to about 120 kilometers per hour. If you're ever in a born-to-be-wild kind of mood, just bear in mind that if you're caught speeding, the least you can expect is a heavy fine. And don't assume that you can drive as fast as you want just because you don't see any police cars. There are thousands of speed cameras scattered along British motorways. So if you don't want to find a note from the police in your mail, always drive at 70 miles per hour or slower. A final note. A good driver is not an arrogant driver. A good driver is a polite, considerate, and careful driver. Whenever possible, give way to other drivers. And most importantly, never assume other drivers are as good or as careful as you are. Expect the unexpected and drive defensively.